Hi besties, we are finally making our Christmas green chili sauce. Yay! Shout out to all my returnees, my newbies, my subscribers. Guys, you are so amazing. If you are a newbie, okay, and you just came across this video, please kindly click on the subscribe button because you can't afford to lose this amazing family. Here we share easy and delicious recipes. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients we are going to use. Okay, so I'll give you the names one by one. So this is called dill, this is habanero peppers, this is bell pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, and this is our celery. Okay, and then spring onions. You can go ahead and add as many greens as you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and then prep. Okay, this is prepping time, so enjoy.
Give me some magic. Tasty, I like that. This side, the Adriani Pankwa. Say cheese, we don't start. Dr. Roscoe, they give you all the fire. Fire. And you never go they tire. We go give you all the vibes. We go make your food so nice. Even if you don't know Kura, you go know. We go make you feel so right. We go give you all the vibes. We go make your food so nice. Even if you don't know Kura, you go know. We go make you feel so right. Yeah.
So we are done with all our vegetables. We'll go in with onions, okay, and then followed by garlic. It's a must, okay, it's a must. You should add garlic to your green chili sauce and onions. It's a must. Then I added a bit of celery, okay, and then the green habanero peppers, because my blender can't afford to blend everything, so I think we would blend it twice. Okay, so that's the first blend. I added a bit of the bell peppers as well, and then I added some oil to make the blender free to blend it. I just don't want the blender to struggle while blending it. Okay. But you can add a little water if you think your oil is not enough. Just that after adding the water, make sure that when you put your pot on the stove, you just pour everything and then cover it for the water to dissolve. Then you introduce your oil. That is also another way to prepare green chili sauce. In this lovely channel, we give nothing but cooking tips. Okay, that is why I want you to subscribe, follow for more interesting and amazing recipes and tips. Okay, kitchen tips. Okay, so guys, the first blend is ready. All right, so let's push our blender elsewhere and then check. Oh guys, just look at that. It is very smooth. Okay, the smoothness is not really necessary. Okay, just go ahead and use your blender to blend it as you want. Okay, you can make it chunky, you can make it. It's a green chili sauce. It's about you as you want it. Okay, so this is I won't say this is how I want it, okay, but this is how I got. All right, it is a Christmas green chili sauce, so making it so special. So that's the second. Okay, so I dedicate this video to one of my my followers on TikTok. Okay, she has been worrying me to do this recipe for her. Okay, so the second blend is ready. As you can see, this is more greener than the first one because this doesn't contain or has any onions in it. Okay, so as I said earlier, since we already have our oil in it, we will transfer this onto our stove and then stir everything to mix. Okay, then you cover it because at this time it is going to give you nothing but mess. All right, so going to mess up your kitchen. Yes, so as you can see, it is cooking. You saw that, right? So that is it. It's so easy. So you are going to keep stirring till the oil settle on top and the color changes a bit. Okay, so at this point I am putting my seasoning cube or my shrimp cube. This is my shrimp cube. Mind you, this green chili sauce, you don't really need much spices, so because we used some some fresh spices for this. Okay, all this dill, celery, they are all spices, fresh spices. So if you go ahead and add more spices, I mean, it is not going to be nice. You are not going to enjoy it. Okay, so just I would advise you don't go in with much spices. Bay leaf is fine, but then I mean, yes, that's my experience though. So I went ahead and add a little salt. I was about to say a pinch of salt, but this is not pinch, this is salt, angasa. So I added salt to taste. And the time to eat my waakye, you know, I cannot go in the morning without my waakye. This is Auntie Muni's waakye. Comment for the location, okay? It's so nice. So in this video, I was in a hurry to the extent that I didn't show you guys when the green chili sauce was ready, because I thought my camera was recording, not knowing I wasn't recording anything. I don't know if you've experienced this before, but then if you want to know your sauce is ready, oil will settle on top of the sauce. All the oil you use will settle on top, and the color will change a bit for you to know that your green chili sauce is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share for more interesting and amazing recipes like this. I will bring you more, so keep subscribing. Let's get to 1K. Bye.